Bonjour, sir.
Bosua, Ananya and Shivangi.
Charging. अरे रुक जा ये क्लास कर लेना Bonjour, sir.
Bosua. Okay. So what we will do?
Hello, Shivangi.
Hi.
Sir, actually that day we have a problem on notes that O have denoted with OS. That means note. I found it on internet.
Very good. So what we will do before going to our next module, quickly we will recap the day one. Okay. So day one, bienvenue à la classe de français. So screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we discussed about benefits of learning French language. Then we have done why it is important. 45% of English words are from French. Letters, script is same, pronunciation is different. Eiffel Tower is very popular symbol of France, and Champs-Élysées, the Victory Tower, that is also important. We have seen the map of France, and we found that it is just like hexagon. So the nickname of France is also hexagon. This is the French flag we discussed. Festival de Cannes, La Fromage, Escargot, perfume, and baguette. All these important symbols of France we discussed. We discussed Mona Lisa. The other name is Joconde, Napoleon Bonaparte, Museum, the Louvre, and Tour de France, that is cycle tournament. And then we discussed all these words and phrases. Bienvenue, bonjour mes amis, drapeau français, fromage, Tour de France, escargot, their English name, and then perfume, Festival de Cannes, Tour Eiffel, baguette, Musée du Louvre, and Napoleon Bonaparte, and that is English counterpart. Then hexagon, Joconde, Messi, Beaucoup, Salut, and Bosua. This we discussed, their English thing. Okay, and finally we got some famous places of France in the map, and finally merci beaucoup means thank you very much. Now I will share the next slide, that is slide of day 2. Just hold on. Okay, share the screen, desktop, and then this is this thing. Okay, French ki Pathshala. Okay. Okay, so now play from start. Okay, so now we are coming to day 2. Once again, starting with Bienvenue à la classe de français. Welcome to the class of French language. And this is the thing which Ananya pointed out, right? The directions. So north is nord,
Yes, sir.
nord, and east is est, south is sud, and west is west. So the pronunciation is west only, but the spelling is O-U-E-S-T, west. So N-E-S-O. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is the Eiffel Tower, the grand structure, the grand monument of France. Day 2 we have come. Now again I have few words and phrases which are very, very important. Salut we discussed in the last class. Salut means hello. Salut.
Yes.
We discussed Bonsoir we discussed. Bonjour. Bonjour is good morning or good day. So bon is good and jour is day. So good day or good morning. The third one is au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir. That is goodbye. So once you are departing, you can say au revoir. Excuse me is excusez-moi. 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 How are you is comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? I am recording this class. I will record all the classes so that whenever you have a problem with pronunciation, you can go to the recording and check. So, merci, thank you. Pardon. Pardon is I am sorry. Now, see, pardon is pardon in English. That's the way it is
Yes,
so
sir.
much
Yes,
similar.
sir.
So you can see excusez-moi is excuse me in English. It is matching. Salut is salute in English. Same thing, same origin, French. Okay. So this is few words and phrases. Salut, bonjour, au revoir, excusez-moi, comment vas-tu, merci, pardon, and merci beaucoup. Going to the next slide. Learn French avec moi. Avec, I told you, with is avec. Moi means me. Learn French with me. Learn French avec moi. Now this is Eiffel Tower in the night. Beautiful. Now we will learn few more words. Let me first write all of them. Okay. So the first one is miss you. Miss you. मिस्टर के लिए मिस यू. लिखने में काफी बड़ा है, MONSIEUR. और ये कैसे बना है? MON, मो मतलब माई. MON, मो मतलब माई. एंड SIEUR इज सर. माई सर. कैसे बोलते हैं माई लॉर्ड इन इंग्लिश? माई लॉर्ड. सिमिलरली माई सर. So it is monsieur, but when we pronounce it in French, it is monsieur, monsieur. So monsieur Dheeraj. The second one is madame. Madam yahi se aaya hai. The madam has come from this word only, but in French we call it madame. If you will think about, we always called, there was a scientist called Curie. She invented radioactivity and she was known as
Yes,
Madame
sir.
Curie. Madame Curie. So Miss you, Madame, and Miss is called Mademoiselle. Mademoiselle. Miss you, Madame, Mademoiselle. Mr., Mrs., Miss. So Mademoiselle Ananya and Mademoiselle Shivangi. So for you, we will use Mademoiselle. Now we learned good day is, good morning is bonjour, good evening is bonsoir, and good night is bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. And see you soon is abianto. 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 See you soon. See you soon. Sorry. See you soon. And the last one is je suis désolé. Je suis désolé. I am sorry. So désolé is sorry. Suis is a helping verb in French, and je is I. Je suis désolé. I am sorry. So these are the very, you can say, popular words and phrases which we should remember, because just by knowing these words also, we can start speaking in French language. So now I will expect Ananya, whenever she is writing something in English also, she will start using these French words. It's okay. It's already,
Sir, I can use Abianto when I go live on Insta.
you can, you can, you can, you can. Now, next one is few more things. Kamosawa, Kamo. Okay, first let me write one, then I will. Okay. So Kamosawa is how are you, and kamo talevu. Now remember, kamo tale. Why tale? Because ale is with a and kamo is ending with t. Consonant and vowel, they will combine. So kamo tale vu. Now if you are talking to a junior or your friend, you can say kamo sawa. It is casual. But if you're talking to a senior person, an elderly person, then kamo tale vu. So vu is for respect. You in respect. Otherwise, sawa also is okay. Sawa, how are you? So kamo sawa with friends and juniors, kamo tale vu with seniors, and sawa is very very formal with friends mostly. Bia is good. I told you tre bia, very good. So bia is good. Mal is bad. Means if someone is asking you, kamo sawa. If you are good, you will say bia. If you are not good, you will say mal. Mal. Now you remember in English you have malnutrition. That malnutrition, mal has come from French. Bad nutrition, malnutrition. Okay, and the last one is kamsi kamsa, means okay okay. Na acha hu na kharab hu, okay okay hu, to kamsi kamsa. So the question is kamo sawa, kamo talevu, or sawa, and the answer is bia, mal, or kamsi kamsa. Now we are going to start our alphabet. I told you that in France, in French language, ta is not there. Ta sound nahi hai. Ta hai, ta. So alphabet हम बोलते हैं English में, but in French we'll say alphabet. Ta. Okay. So it is below that it has given in English also, so that you can know the exact pronunciation. It's a, be, se, de, a, f, ze, ash, e, z, ka, l, m, n, o, p, q, r, r, s, t, u, v, w, x, y, z. So this is the pronunciation of French alphabet. Now you have to practice in such a way that you can speak in a fast way. A, B, C, D, E, F, Z, H, E, Z, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. If that speed you are getting, that means now your practice is good. Fine. So these are the letters of French alphabet. Same script, only difference is of sound. And few important things. There are 26 letters in the French alphabet, 6 vowels and 20 consonants. We have 5 and 21. In French, H also is vowel. Apart from A, E, I, O, U, H also is vowel, and rest 20 consonants. French is based on the Latin alphabet, which we know, and the letters W and K are not commonly used in French words. They are the rare use of rarely used letters W and K. Fine. No need to write because you are getting the PDF anyway. Okay. So that's it for today. I will request both of you to go through this and please speak. Who will speak first? Alphabet.
Me.
Yes, start.
Okay. Okay. A, B, C, D, A, F, G,
Wait,
H.
wait, 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 wait. A, B, C, D, A, E, H, A.
Okay, sir.
Once again.
Once again, I should start.
Yes.
A, B, C, sorry, B, A, F, J, R, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, double, double
W.
Z.
W.
Okay,
W.
okay,
W.
W,
Hmm.
W, X, Y, Z.
Okay, Ananya, your turn.
Yes, sir. French alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, J, H, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Okay. So once again, I will repeat. You have few mistakes. So first one
Yes,
is
sir.
A. A.
A,
Second
okay.
one is B.
B,
Third is say.
C,
Day.
A, C, D.
One more thing. In French, the sound is not there. हम बोलते
Okay.
हैं ना डी बोलते हैं हम अपने इंग्लिश में डी तो डॉ साउंड
Yes,
नहीं
sir.
है इसीलिए इट विल बी डे
D. Okay.
तो टॉ साउंड भी नहीं है और डॉ साउंड भी नहीं है डॉ की जगह दॉ है और टॉ की जगह तौ है तौ एंड दॉ सो आ बे से डे
D.
ए के बाद ए
A.
उसके बाद एफ एफ में चूंकि दो एफ दिया हुआ है तो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि ए आधा फ और फ एफ एफ
F. Okay.
जे 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 जी जो है हम बोलते हैं जी यहां पर है जे सो अगर आप देखो तो जी और जे आपस में इंटरचेंज है
Yes, sir.
जी का साउंड जे है और जे का साउंड जी है जस्ट इंटरचेंज
D.
एच इज कॉल्ड आश आश
R.
एंड आई इज कॉल्ड ई
E.
एंड जे इज कॉल्ड जी
Z.
का
K.
एल नाउ
L.
अगेन एम ए आधा म एम एन ओ
N.
पे कू एर
Q.
एर
R.
एर एस एस टे ऊ
T.
वे
U.
डब्ल्यू
V.
एक्स
W.
एक्स इग्रेक इग्रेक
Y.
एंड
Okay, that's
जेड
one.
जेड
Then.
राइट सो ये पूरे की पूरी प्रैक्टिस की चीज है सो यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस
सर Y का प्रोनाउंसिएशन एक बार और बता दीजिए.
इग्रेक ई
Exact.
ग्रेक इग्रेक
Okay.
Y and Z. So what I will request you can write all these pronunciation of French alphabet in Hindi.
Yes.
आप हिंदी में लिख
Okay.
करके आप मेरे साथ शेयर कर लीजिए. If there will be any mistake, I will correct it and tell you. Fine. So मैं ज्यादा क्यों नहीं दे रहा हूँ because if I will give you more, it will be tough for you to remember. So I will go back. I will go back. This one is clear. Any doubt in this? You have first
No.
three questions and
Yes,
last
sir.
three are
In
answers.
pronunciation,
So kamo,
sir, once again pronounce.
kamo, kamo, sawa, kamo, sawa. Now I'll tell you one more thing. The can say the exact meaning of kamo sawa is how are you going. So जो वा है ना वा that is a verb. उसका मतलब होता है going. कमो मतलब how. सा is a pronoun. You के लिए यूज करते हैं. So how are you going? right? So how are you going, they say, and the English is kamo sawa. Same thing, kamo talevu. Kamo talevu में भी kamo मतलब how, ale is a verb that is called, उसका मतलब होता है जाना, and vu मतलब you, respect. So how are you going? And sawa, you are going. अपने इंग्लिश में बोले तो you are going, question mark. Sawa, तो बोलेगा sawa बिया. Yes, I am going good. Sawa mal, I am going bad. Kamsi kamsa means I am okay, okay. So kamo sawa, kamo talevu. Ah, tell me.
Sir, means if ये just commentalebo, right? Sir, in
कमो
second
कमो
point.
कमो कमो और लास्ट में चूंकि टी है कॉन्सोनेंट और नेक्स्ट वाले का फर्स्ट लेटर है वॉवेल, दोनों आपस में जुड़ जाएगा. कमो ताले.
सर कमो ताले वो ये है, तो इसको इतना सारा क्यों अल्फाबेट लिखता है, मतलब डायरेक्टली क्यों नहीं, मतलब टू द पॉइंट लिखता, बहुत सारे इसमें अल्फाबेट क्यों लगा देता है?
अच्छा, ये क्या है कि अल्फाबेट तो जितना उनको लिखने में, सी उसमें क्या होता है कि फ्रेंच में अगर आप गौर करेंगे तो फ्रेंच में लास्ट के लेटर्स को नहीं बोलते हैं. जैसे कि अब आप देखिए मेसी, मेसी बोकू, बोकू में COUP है, तो आपका बोकू है, बस CO में खत्म हो गया, यूपी एक्स्ट्रा है. सो फ्रेंच में देखा मैंने कि उन्होंने फास्ट बोलने के लिए बहुत सारे लेटर्स को स्किप करते हैं. इंग्लिश तो ऑलरेडी स्किप करता ही करता था. हाँ,
लाइक ये बोकू जो है उसको स्पेलिंग करते हैं हम DEAUCOUP, लाइक मतलब बहुत सारा वर्ड होता है.
करेक्ट करेक्ट.
लेकिन इसको बोलते हैं बोकू, तो ऐसा करके लगता है कि इतना ज्यादा क्यों वर्ड है,
इतना ज्यादा क्यों वर्ड है. सो एक्चुअली जो उसका क्या बोलते हैं उसको, इटिमोलॉजी, जो उसको लिखने का जो तरीका है वो तो इतना लंबा ही है, बट बोलने में उन्होंने उसको शॉर्ट किया हुआ है. सो जो इनके ग्रामर लिखने वाले होंगे उन्होंने उसको शॉर्ट किया हुआ है. ऐसे बहुत सारे वर्ड्स, ऐसे बहुत सारे वर्ड्स इंग्लिश में भी हैं जहां वर्ड काफी लंबा है बट बहुत सारे उसके बीच की जो अक्षर है वो साइलेंट है कि नहीं इंग्लिश में भी.
सर ये लैंग्वेज फॉर्म करने वालों को हम लोगों से कोई दुश्मनी थी क्या कि नहीं रिटन में इसको इतना लंबा रखते हैं और प्रोनाउंसिएशन शॉर्ट कर देते हैं इसका?
इसी मामले में वी से दैट हिंदी एंड संस्कृत दे ऑल आर वेरी यू कैन से फैंटास्टिक लैंग्वेज, जहां की जो हम लिखते हैं वही हम पढ़ते हैं,
वही बोलते
कोई
हैं.
कंफ्यूजन
यस
नहीं है
सर.
वहां पर. सो अभी भी
Yes, sir.
दे ऑलवेज से दैट कि ज्यादा साइंटिफिक लैंग्वेज अगर आप देखिए तो हिंदी एंड संस्कृत है, बिकॉज वहां कोई भी मिसकम्युनिकेशन नहीं है. व्हाट यू राइट यू स्पीक, बट
Yes,
बाकी
sir.
आप देखेंगे बहुत उसमें दिक्कत है. ओके, सो नाउ गोइंग टू द प्रीवियस स्लाइड आल्सो, वो भी एक बार चेक कर लें. दिस इज आल्सो क्लियर. मिस यू, मदाम,
Yes, sir.
मैडमोजेल, मैडमोजेल, बोजू गुड मॉर्निंग, बोसुआ गुड इवनिंग, एंड बनुई
Evening.
दैट इज
Good
गुड
night.
नाइट. यहाँ पे गुड
Good
आफ्टरनून भी है. गुड आफ्टरनून इज बो आपरे मिदी. मैं उसको लेट मी राइट, वो भी क्यों नहीं अभी लिख के बता दूं आपको मैं. annotate. So bo is same, apre midi. So midi is noon,
Middle
bo
of the
is
day.
good. So bo midi good noon, bo apre, apre मतलब after. So bo apre midi गुड आफ्टरनून. अब यहाँ पर क्या करना है, यहाँ पर धीरे धीरे ना आपको वर्ड्स को समझना शुरू करना है. आपरे का मतलब होता है आफ्टर, करेक्ट.
After midi means after the half day.
आफ्टरनून, यस, आफ्टर हाफ डे. और देखो आप मिडी का मतलब क्या होता है, हम यूज करते हैं इंग्लिश में मिड, MID मिड.
Need.
सो
Yes,
मिडी,
sir.
मिडी से बना है मिड. सो कितना सिमिलर है. अब जब आप इसको पढ़ना शुरू करेंगे देन यू विल रियलाइज कि इंग्लिश में ये ऐसा वर्ड क्यों आया, बिकॉज इट हैज कम फ्रॉम फ्रेंच. फ्रेंच से ले लिया गया उसको. मिड डे, मिड डे का मिड जो है वो मिडी से आया है. बो आपरे मिडी गुड आफ्टरनून, बो मिडी गुड नून. Okay, so let me
Yes, sir.
clear all points. Okay, fine. Hide
Bonui.
Fine. So this is clear.
So
Miss
what
you.
is good night pronounced as Bonui?
बन नुई. अच्छा
Bonui.
एक चीज मैं और आपको बताऊं कि फ्रेंच में क्या है कि अगर मैस्कुलिन है तो उसके लिए अगर एडजेक्टिव हम यूज कर रहे हैं लाइक बो का मतलब होता है गुड, BON. अगर हम यूज कर रहे हैं गुड डे, तो जूर जो है वो मैस्कुलिन है फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज में. फाइन. उसके आगे जो हम बो यूज कर रहे हैं, बो ऑल्सो इज मैस्कुलिन, बो जू. लेकिन NUIT नुई, नुई जो है नाइट, वो फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज में फेमिनिन है. अब चूंकि वो फेमिनाइन है इसीलिए बो इज चेंजिंग टू बन. उसमें एक एन और ई ऐड हो गया.
Okay.
ई लगा दिया. मीनिंग इज सेम, गुड, बट बो इज गुड मैस्कुलिन एंड बन इज गुड फेमिनाइन. बोजू एंड बन नुई. तो ये अब धीरे धीरे हम सीखेंगे कि कौन सा वर्ड फेमिनिन है, कौन सा वर्ड मैस्कुलिन है और कैसे हम उसको चेंज करेंगे फ्रॉम. मैं अभी इतना फास्ट क्यों नहीं जाएंगे, अदरवाइज यू विल बी पूरा जंबल हो जाएगा. तो अभी हम सिंपल सिंपल सीख ले रहे हैं. नाउ इफ यू वांट टू कॉल समवन मिस्ड यू राहुल कमोसावा, सिंपल
Yes,
सा
sir.
सीख लिया आपने. मिस्टर राहुल हाउ आर यू.
Yes, sir.
मैडमोजेल अनन्या कमो तालेवू. मैं अगर देना है रिस्पेक्ट तो, या
Yes, sir.
हाँ ना. अगर हम डिपार्ट कर रहे हैं, किसी से हम विदा ले रहे हैं, अभियान तो सी यू सून. और किसी को सॉरी बोलना है तो जेसुई डिजोले. या हमने एक और देखा था हमने वर्ड पार्दों. पार्दों ऑल्सो
Yes,
इज फॉर दैट ओनली.
Pardon.
कहाँ गया?
So the Turkish people also use the French pronunciation for pardon.
Which people?
Turkish people in Turkey.
Turkish. Possibility
Yes,
है
sir.
because when
Sir,
I was
I have heard them. Sir, like I have watched few Turkish series
okay.
in which I have heard them speaking pardon.
Oh.
So initially I thought it is the Turkish accent, but now I am getting to know it is the French accent.
So basically, if you'll go through all the script and language of the world, you will find that most of them they have come from either Greek or Latin.
Yes, sir.
So Greek and Latin, they have gone to different part of Europe and America and all, and they have changed it as per their local convenience.
So then, which is the ancient, most, what should I say, like the most initial language that has originated
if you come this part of the world, then Sanskrit, we say it's very old, and if you go to that Europe and America, then Greek and Latin.
So what about Kharosti? Kharosti is also a very old language which was deciphered in a James Prinsep time.
Which country it is?
Kharosti language.
Kharoshi language is spoken in which country? Any idea?
No, I'm telling about, yes, in James Prinsep world when he was came from a Greek.
Okay.
Like I have studied in history, that's why I said.
Okay.
I'm a history student.
But generally, if you will open your Oxford dictionary also, you will find that almost most of the English word they have come from Greek and Latin. Originally.
And science too. Most of the term has came from Latin.
Yes, Ananya.
Sir, then among Greek, Latin, and Sanskrit, if we want to know which is the oldest,
for that you have to go for Google because I have not checked. But Sanskrit, they say it is the language of Lord Shiva. I don't know when Lord Shiva was there.
I think Sanskrit should be old because when our Vedic period has started, then we are using the Sanskrit language in all the Ved and all in 600 BC, I hope.
So that is. But
Shivangi, the thing is that Vedic period and all is according to our Hindu custom. We can't say that now in other part of world there were no people or no
Actually, it is not of Hindu culture. when you will study about history, the history has been divided into three categories, that is ancient, medieval, and modern. Then
Okay.
Yes.
when these things has been started, we have studied about the Sanskrit, like in Vedic period, then Indus Valley civilization, then Mesopotamian civilization.
So basically, it is a pure question of history.
Yes, sir.
है ना, प्रागैतिहासिक काल and क्या क्या है, I don't know. History.
Sir, so is the concept of ancient, medieval, and modern history the same in every part of the world? Like what we study about the ancient history, that is same in other part of worlds also.
Ancient.
No. Actually,
हाँ,
when
tell
yeah,
me.
yeah. I have an answer, sir, because when James Mill has came in India, he has divided he has written the history of British India. So he has divided the world into three groups: Indian, Hindu, Muslim, and British. So he divided like that. But when means he was from Europe, so he has given the concept, all the concept of Europe. So India should follow it. But when British came in India, he has given their concept, but like a proto history, pre-history, and then history. But when it came to know our history, then we have divided into three, like ancient history, medieval history, and
Medieval and
modern
modern.
history.
Okay. So
Okay.
Shivangi will tell us maybe in the next class that out of Greek, Latin, and Sanskrit, what is the origin year? Means how old is
Okay, sir, sure, I'll say.
how old is Sanskrit, how old is Greek, and how old is Latin? Fine.
Okay.
So that's it. I think we have discussed that one. Okay.
Sir,
Fine.
what is the French for have a good day?
Have a good day. So,
Hmm.
so good day is bonjour. Have a good day.
Bonjour.
Mm, uh, have a good day. Actually, see, unlike English, the salutation is different in France. Like we say,
Yes, sir.
we say good day while departing. If you remember,
Yes, sir.
suppose if we have met someone in the morning and now he is leaving, so he will say good day. Or we are talking to someone on phone, we'll say good day. But in French,
Yes,
good
sir.
day is a welcoming thing. Bonjour. So I don't know this type of ah
Sir, I got your point.
Bonjour
Like I
means
have
good
seen
or
in
good day. Because I have lot of confusion. Bonjour means good, or bonjour means good day. Bonjour means
no.
good morning.
So
Like
B
bonjour means good day.
bon is B-O and bon is good, and Z-O-U-R zoo is day. So basically, the Shabdik Arth hai good day, but they do not have anything different for good morning. They use bonjour for good day also and good morning also. In French, the most used phrase is bonjour. The moment you meet someone, you say bonjour. Okay?
sir, whenever we will meet, either then we can say this bonjour.
Morning time bonjour, and evening is
Okay.
bonsoir, and when you are departing in the night, you say bonne nuit. And
Bonjour.
bon après midi is very less used
Seldom you.
phrase, seldomly used. Bon après midi, no.
Okay.
Bonjour, bonsoir, and bonne nuit.
Sir,
Correct.
this is a like interesting part about different cultures. Like I have seen in the Korean culture, like here, if you meet someone in morning, we firstly ask, say to them good morning, right?
Correct.
In Korea, they don't wish good morning. Instead, they ask the person that have you slept well or not.
Wow. Okay.
And in Japan, they say hola. Hi
Means
to hola.
hola means what is the meaning of that word?
Hola means hi.
Achha,
Hi.
simple hi. Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
I will tell you one more thing. In Bihar and all, we say someone namaste or namaskar or pranam, right?
Yes,
If
sir.
you go in Maharashtra, if you meet someone, the first question is Jevan jhala ka? Jevan jhala ka? यानी कि खाना खाया क्या?
That
Yes,
is a
sir.
nice thing.
When I have gone Mumbai, they asked that.
है ना?
तुम्ही जेवण झाला? Like,
जेवण झाला का? Means they do not have good morning and good afternoon, good evening. They will ask the first question, जेवण झाला का?
So that is the best question to ask anyone.
Actually, if he has had a good food, it means his day is good. Right.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So I am closing it here. Right. Now you have so many words and phrases which you have to revise. I will send you the PDF. And next class, we are going to discuss alphabet and what are the common words which we can make from them. Like in English, we learn A for apple, B for bat. Similarly, we are going to learn how to make words from these letters. We'll learn
sir,
alphabet in
I have written a bat. It is written Betu, like Bateau. That is bat.
bat. So TABLE. One more thing I just remembered. TABLE is table. Table in English, and the same
Yes.
spelling it is table in French. Same meaning. Table. Table. CAT cat in English and CHAT chat in French. So
Sir,
now
because the A is AH in French. Is it that why?
it is too much confusing. When we will go for when we will go for word formation, if you will go for rules, you will go mad. So I will suggest, because you are not going to do a master's in French language, do not go for
Yes.
rules so much. Just find out the common phrases and common words, so that if you are meeting anyone who is from France, at least you can communicate, or maybe you can use these phrases and words in your English communication or English writing.
Yes, sir.
Right? If you'll go in deep, why this is formed, why this accent, why this pronunciation, then it's very tough. Then you have to
Sir, after a few classes, can you recommend any French movie like for beginners too, which has easy French language?
okay, let me check with my French teacher.
Sir, please do check.
I
After
will,
a
I
few
will.
classes, we go
And
na,
and
movies help a
he,
lot.
he's from Bihar only. His name is Ajay Jha.
Wow.
He lives in Bhopal, and he is teaching from last 30 years in Alliance Francaise de Bhopal. So when I was there, he
Wow.
was teaching me, and he will be very happy to recommend a good French movie, which is very easy to understand. Maybe okay. So
Yes, sir.
I will let you know. Nothing to worry. So fine. From here, I am stopping, and I will request. So revise PDF 1 and PDF 2, and we will meet on Friday at same time, and we will understand. We will learn A for apple, B for bat. Right?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Word formation.
Merci beaucoup.
Right then. So how to say goodbye? Au revoir
Au revoir.
is goodbye. Au revoir. And
Au revoir.
abhianto. Abhianto is see you soon.
See you soon. Yes, sir.
So you can say au revoir also, and you can say abhianto also.
Sir, merci beaucoup. A bientôt.
Okay. And merci beaucoup. The reply of merci beaucoup is de rien.
Yes, sir. You texted that me on WhatsApp.
Yes. So I texted. So I will write also once again for Shivangi also. Daria is just like in English how we say it's all right. So if someone tells me thank you very much, so what we say? It's all right. So similarly, merci beaucoup, Daria means it's okay.
Yes, sir.
Daria, it's okay. Fine. Right then, Ananya and Shivangi, thank you very much for the next class, second class of French language. We'll meet on Friday, 5 p.m.
Okay, sir. A bientôt.
Baku, sir.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Beaucoup nahi, merci beaucoup. Okay. Okay. Bye. 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 Good day.
Bye, Shivangi.
Bye, Ananya.
So you have got a friend also now.
Yes, sir.
Good. Chalo then. Bye bye. Bye bye.
She is in which class? I want to know.